tour guide. And this is Mommy, the person walking along. And as you can see, we're coordinated today.
Yes.
See? So anyway, this is the house.
Is the house.
Oh, and Justine is your camera person.
Yeah.
Not a cameraman. Okay, smoky. So, these are the stairs.
There's Edmund the cat. There he is.
Eddie. He's special.
Here's the house door, mailbox, more doors.
And if you could smell, you would smell raspberry pie.
It's pretty good.
Molly says, "Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa."
There's some baby stuff.
Here's baby paraphernalia. This is her swing
The
that
swing.
she loves.
Mm.
Can you guess who this young lad is?
I think
No?
it's Spencer.
Can you guess who this young lady is?
No.
Huh.
There's a Whitney family photo. There's a wall. Ooh, there's some wedding pictures.
Yay!
Yay! Drew.
I wasn't there.
Mirror.
I feel left out.
She wasn't there. You were predated a little bit. Oh, yeah, I can't handle it, Mom.
Should we go see the nursery?
Yay!
Upstairs. Up we go. This is where I get my workouts.
Yes.
1,000,000 times a day. A star is born.
That's the star.
4 months ago.
There's the door.
We need to clean this room.
Yes.
Picture frame from Grandma and Grandpa. I still need to put a picture in. Just got it yesterday.
So as you can see, the room is Peter Rabbit organized.
Peter Rabbit themed.
There's the wall.
And she's got bunches of books we read on the floor every day.
Ooh, yeah. My favorite is Stregonona. Stregonona.
And her dresses, and there's her little closet in there.
Yes. Oh, there's some pictures of Molly. They're so cute. And her shoes.
She says, I still need to grow into those ones.
There's that cute lamp. And there's the wall with the bunny things on it. Say goodbye.